What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, and I'm coming to you guys with a brand new video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make this real quick. Not gonna talk to y'all for too long, but you know what I'm saying? I just dropped a banger. You know what I'm saying? In the next clip, y'all are gonna see a banger. It's me letting my dad drive my car. I pranked him with the pedal commander, so it was a pretty fire vid. My dad's hilarious. And if you're watching this, you got family, people you love. You don't gotta post it, but record everything you witness, cause parents not gonna be here forever. Friends not gonna be here forever. Check me out. I know y'all haven't heard my voice or seen my face in a minute, but your boy's been grinding. Your boy's been putting in work, but that's not important. Shout out to my Redskins. You know what I'm saying? They've been going crazy this year. We don't want the bandwagon. Say goodbye. But with that being said, in the next clip is me and my dad. I let him drive my car for the first time. Let me know if y'all mess with the video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I pranked him a little bit with the pedal commander, so yeah, it's a banger. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Prepare for that next video. You might want to hit the notification bell because I'm dropping again.
What else have you done to this damn car? Because this says shit ain't normal.
Well, I haven't done nothing.
When you hit the gas, it sounds like another engine kick in. What the hell you done to this damn car?
Oh my bad. Sorry.
I can see inserted disc. Y'all got this? You got a disc player in here?
No.
Oh, anyway. Fix this tag, man. Don't have me go down there with people.
So basically, this right here is the button that I use. You know what I'm saying? You see the red dot right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's how I know that it's. It's hiding my plate when it's red.
Mm-hmm.
I just hit the button, and then once it shows there's nothing there, I'm good. And even if I don't have this, I could do it from in here too, because I have this thing that's mounted right here.
Oh Lord, this is just too much shit going on here. What is it doing?
So right now, remember how I told you I have a key? I have a lock on my car.
Oh, this is too much shit going on, Junior. What do I have to do? We have to wait?
Yeah, we gotta wait. So once it go past, right?
What the fuck is that?
Basically, you know, this prevents people from stealing my car. So basically, my car is on a donut right now, basically, or it's like, or it's bricked to the ground. So the way, you know what I mean, I have a password. You use these two joints right here. So I put my password in and said unlock right there, and then
Why is your ABS blinking?
it disappeared. It was just showing that that you know the car was bricked and all that. So now the emergency brakes are on. Right now it's doing the light show. So to cancel the light show, you have to hit the left arrow and then hit cancel.
If you have an emergency, your ass gonna be in trouble.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to explore, like, you know, like the kill switch and like other things that they have to like lock your car.
You can't get away from nobody, Junior. You got all this damn. It's just a car. If somebody steals it, fuck it, get another one. This is crazy. You had to be sitting in this car all this time waiting for it to do all this. So what is it doing now?
Well, you could have been pulled off if you wanted to, but
it's going back and forth though.
Right. So you have to hit the left arrow and then hit cancel. But you gotta hold the left arrow and then like press cancel. There we go. Now we good.
Oh, this is too much. I gotta take the brake off. Why does your brake go to the floor?
Huh?
How come your brake goes to the floor? My feet went to the floor when I hit put in.
Wait, hold on.
Where the hell is the emergency brake?
You see, it says push.
Oh, that's a foot brake. Okay.
Yeah, so now it should be good.
Oh, why's your ABS on?
Wait, try and pull off? Is it gonna let you pull off?
Junior, what is going on with this damn car? Can I go down? We just made a circle because I had to backtrack to the exit 16. I didn't know what, I forgot it's closer to me than I thought.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't need nothing faster, right?
Nope. There's nothing like having a V8 engine. A big engine is strong. And the only thing is that most of the time V8s, they burn so much gas.
Yeah.
We have a Wegmans too.
Oh, you guys have Wegmans as well? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good. That's very good. You guys got Wegmans. Wegmans is yeah, I like Wegmans. I like Wegmans a lot.
See, Wegmans is right over there. We had a town center. Our Wegmans here have a parking garage.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
That Best Buy. Everything is over there.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
Oh, snap.
I think I can make a U. God damn. This damn car grabs every time you put the gas on. That's why this damn car burns so much gas.
Yeah, it burns a lot of gas. I ain't gonna lie.
I got confused with where I'm at. The IHOP should be right off this exit. I didn't see it when we made a right. I must be blind, man.
Oh, you talking about IHOP?
Yeah, it should be right off this exit. This is actually 16, where we should have got off the first time. I mean, it's only like 7 minutes from my house. Like when you get off the exit, you should see the IHOP.
Oh yeah, I think I did see it. Is there like a Mexico place near it?
Oh, is that what I did? I bet you you know what it was? When we made a right in that Top Golf, that's what the damn IHOP was.
Yeah.
I was damn. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I'm sorry about that. We passed the damn IHOP. Yep, there it is, right. See the sign? We drove right past it coming down the street. Damn. This car is heavy as hell. I can tell just by sitting in it, it's heavy.
Yeah. It was an adjustment, like getting used to it's like the same vision like you got in your truck. Mm-hmm. Like with the hood and everything.
Yeah.
Feels like I'm driving a boat or something. Yeah.
That's slowly going down, man. That damn thing. When last time you hit the oil change?
It's crazy. I got the oil change done like probably like 2.5 months ago. So it's probably around that time. 15. About 15.
Oh.
It's not that bad when you think about it. I got the car in March.
March of what? This year?
Yeah.
You sure you got it in March of this year, Junior?
I did, because Amanda got hers in February.
Really?
Yeah. I got mine's March 3rd. She got her car February 2nd.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, and this is a 21?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're still way under miles.
I'm good. Like I'm in a good spot. Mm-hmm. And I think, and I think the reason why, why my mileage isn't as bad as how Amanda's, because Amanda's about to hit 30,000. She started at 15.
Well, she really actually.
Cause her mom's house is out the way.
Yeah, she drives a little further more than you do.
Yeah, it pulls pretty hard. So I have a question. So basically, I've been putting 89 in my car. Is that I did the like I looked it up, and it told me to put 89, never put 87.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it told me never put 87. It said my car could take 87, but it's saying that like my car runs better on 89. And then it says my car could take 93, but it's like I don't know if because I know people do it for performance, but it's
your car doesn't have to have premium, does it?
No.
Okay, so if this car doesn't have to have premium, then it's best to
yeah, because I'm just trying to make sure, because I was thinking about putting a 93 in my car one day,
Well, you can put 93 in it if you want to, but if it has to have 93, you can't be putting anything less.
Right.
But if your car takes 87, if it comes from the factory or it's supposed to take 87, you can put the higher octane. You can put 89 and 93 in it if you want to. Just won't be more money, but you get more octane.
So is that more performance, or is that more like
your car will perform better with the higher octane gas?
It'll perform better. And will it last
longer? I
longer?
wouldn't make a habit of putting 93 in there. I mean, if you're going to put 89, that's fine.
Does it last longer?
No.
No? Okay. Interesting.
Not really. You won't see no big difference.
So you think 89 is cool?
Yes. I sometimes put 89 in mine. See, that's Top Golf. See, it's right there next to the Top Golf. Well, I don't know. We done all out the damn way. That was right the first time, exit 15. Damn.
Nice area right here. We got the Mexican place right here. I'm going to have to take Amanda over here.
Yeah, that's another Mexican restaurant.
One possibility I see is Senor Tequila's.
And they got the
Century
people at the
Boulevard in
front. Oh my
Germantown.
goodness.
Less than a half mile to your east, and it gets 3.5 stars on Yelp.
Chick-fil-A
How
right
about
there.
that one?
Up here, Red Robin right here on the corner.
Did you you got the key, Dad?
Huh?
You got the key?
No. Do it?
Nah, it's all good. It's right here. Yes.
I guess I'm getting old. I guess it's good about
It's not bad.
Challenger.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Hey, we got them at work, man. They get down the road, bro.
Yeah. He done done all kinds of things to this damn car. I've been trying to figure out. I ain't trying to figure out shit. I'm just confused. But you hit the gas. There you go.
You hit that gas, bro. You better have the steering wheel straight.
Yeah, I know.
It'll put you in the seat.
Yeah, it will, man. Yeah.
Man, London, when I'm driving that on the Beltway, people get out the way, bro.
Yeah, they get down the road, man. It's a shame they gonna stop making them.
That's what I'm saying, man.
What else have you done to this damn car? Because this shit ain't normal.
Well, I haven't done nothing.
When you hit the gas, it sound like another engine kick in. What the hell you done to this damn car?
I ain't do nothing, man.
You said you ain't did nothing to this damn car?
No, I ain't do nothing. It's stock, man. It's stock, man. A little throttle, a little, extra, throttle, control and everything. But that's it. I ain't do nothing crazy.
Yeah, you ain't put no chip or nothing in this damn car, no crazy stuff like that.
No, I haven't tuned it or anything yet. Not yet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know they record me around.
I sure am. Yeah, you pushing this thing. You pushing it better than me.
I can't drive like that. I can't be out here hot dogging like we young folks. Besides, I don't want this damn jet to get away from me.
You put it in manual. What you about to do?
Can't now, guys. Can't do nothing, but I don't like using that.
Oh, you don't like using the manual?
I think it goes all the way up to 6, right?
I think it goes to 7.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, this is probably an 8-speed. But you gotta be careful using this because you can mess. If you use it too much and don't use it the right way, you mess your transmission up.
And what's a good example of not using it the right way?
boring out the gears.
Oh, okay.
You know, don't let the gear crowd too much.
Oh, you said don't let it growl too much?
Don't let the engine, like the RPMs go up so high. You know, don't run the cars. You know.
So 4 and 5 is
your tag.
what?
I'm gonna make a right anyway. Lord have mercy.
I'm telling you, it's so easy to forget that thing. I mean, I have to be on. The thing is that I wasn't driving, so I wasn't paying attention. But it's my fault because I should have been paying attention.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's my fault. It's packed over here.
Yeah, every day, man. That's why the cops up here. It's because it gets out of control.
Yeah.
I should have had my handicap.
That's a nice BMW right there. Yeah, it's a nice complex. Like, you know, it's a nice area.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's very nice. Look at that. Elevators included. That's where all the rich people's at. Yeah. This area is very nice. You know what I'm saying? And what's that? A pool or something over there?
Community center.
Oh, okay.
This right here, they're building our gym right there.
Oh, they are?
Club.
Oh, what type of gym?
In the club. They're building condos down here. So I'm gonna take you down to the back of the house.
Are they building condos?
Yeah.
For 55-year-olds or?
Yeah, all this on this side.
Oh, so all this is for 55-year-olds. Oh, wow.
On this side.
Yeah, they definitely building those. Those are fresh.
Those are gonna have garages.
Okay. Okay.
This is a different building, these cottages.
Oh, and then they got one garage?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's still nice. It's 55-year-olds, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You got basements.
Oh.
Yes, these got basements.
Oh, like those are gonna be like those?
Like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those are nice right there.
Oh, these are one levels right here.
Oh, the one-level houses.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I ain't gonna lie, parking in this little spot right here, it was challenging for me.
It's challenging for problem every day.
Yeah, let's see what you got. So this is nothing for you, huh? Okay. Right, it's weird. I don't know why it's like that. Yeah.
Got the same buttons as mine.
Yeah.
Let's press up and down.
Yeah, maybe it's because I don't have the newest model. I don't know. Or maybe not. I don't know. But
You gonna go in for a few minutes or?
yeah, I'm going for a few minutes.
Hold you up.
Yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah, you know, I'm going for about 5-10 minutes or so. You know, let you settle in for a bit. Yeah. Yeah. How was the drive for the first time, Dad?
How was the what?
How was the drive for the first time?
It was good.
It was good.
It was good. You really surprised me. I'm glad you came out.
Yeah.
At least now you know where I live at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. That's good. That's good.
I like being able to open my garage from my damn app.
Yeah, I guess I'm not gonna buy any more mods until the next time you see me. You know, so it's it should be the same. It should be the same experience because you know it's not gonna be any mods or anything like that.
I know.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do nothing else to my car. Yeah, I'm not gonna do nothing else to my car. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll wrap it up there.
This shit like a movie, somebody come film. It's sauce about Louis, the young nigga trim. When they full of water, baby can swim. I keep a few hoes with me like a pimp. You doing all that flexing, you need in my gym.